Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this beautiful plate of fried beans. But before we get started, do not forget to like and subscribe if you like the video. And without further ado, let's get started. So I started off by boiling my beans. All I did was just add my beans to the pot and add water to cover it. I'm using red beans here, but you can use any bean of your choice. Now I'm just going to cover this and let this cook until it is fully done. And once my beans are cooked, I'm going to remove it and strain it, and then I'm going to let it cool. Then I'm going to move on to preparing my blended spice. In my blender here, I have 2 habanero peppers, I have 1 whole white onion, 2 celery stalks, I have half of a red onion, I have 5 plum tomatoes in there, and also I have some ginger and some garlic. And then I'm going to add some water to this, and I'm going to blend it until it's very smooth. In another pot, I'm adding in some seasonings to my meat. Here I have 1 bouillon cube, some salt and black pepper, and also I'm going to add in just a little bit of the blended spices from before. And then I'm going to stir this up, and I'm going to let this cook until the meat is completely done. Once that is all done, to my pot, I am adding in my vegetable oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I used about 8 tablespoons of oil here. You can use more or less if you choose to. Then I added in my blended spices from before, and I let that cook for about 5 to 10 minutes until most of the water had dried out. I gave that a stir, and now I'm going to season it. I've added in some curry, some paprika, some onion powder, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, and black pepper. Now I'm adding in some basil and some dried parsley. Then I will add in some salt and also 2 bouillon cubes. All these seasonings I used about half a teaspoon to a teaspoon each. And then I'm going to stir this until everything is nicely combined. Then I'm going to add my meat that had boiled before, but I'm not going to add in the stock just yet. But after my meat is in, I just went ahead and added in my beans, and then I'm going to give this a really good stir. Once everything was nicely combined, I then went ahead and added in about 3 cups of water, and then I'm going to stir this, and I'm going to leave this to cook on medium heat until my beans are soft, but not like coming apart soft, like, if you know what I mean. But yes, I let this cook for about 20 to 25 minutes, and I did add in 1 more cup of water because the beans were getting a little dry. And after it cooked, it was done, and here it is. I served this with some rice and plantain with a little avocado on the side, if you know what I mean. It was very good. But that's the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.